Good morning students, class 10th, and today we are going to study about the quadratic formula. Just see on the board, quadratic formula, it works on the quadratic equations. So we all know which kind of equations are called quadratic equations. Just see it. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. These kinds of equations are called quadratic equations, and the quadratic formula is a method. It's a very simple formula for finding the roots or zeros of any of the quadratic equation. Okay, just see something. We have to find out the value of x. A, B, C are what? A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x, and C is the constant term here. Okay, and we all know that whenever we will take the value of x, y or z, then we will always take them with their sign. If they are positive, take them positive, and if they are negative, then take them negative. Okay, so what is the quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac, and this whole thing is divided by 2a. तो quadratic formula क्या है? x equals to minus b plus minus, okay, both in square root b square minus 4ac, और ये पूरी चीज़ डिवाइड होगी किससे? 2a से. And what is a, b and c? This we all know. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant value here. Okay, and now we will solve question number 2 by the help of quadratic formula. Okay, just see on the board. Okay students, now see on the board question number 1. Actually question number 2, part first. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, and we have to find out its roots by the help of quadratic formula. Okay, so first of all write the quadratic formula. सबसे पहले क्या करो? quadratic formula को लिखो. And now here means in this question a की वैल्यू क्या है, b की वैल्यू क्या है, c की वैल्यू क्या है. Write it here so that you will not have any kind of problem during substitution. Okay, so a means coefficient of x square, it is 2. b means coefficient of x, it is minus 7. अभी बताया था मैंने, जब भी a b c की वैल्यू लोगे you will always take them with their sign, positive or negative. Okay, and what is the value of c here? C is the constant one, it is 3. Okay, so before substituting the values in the formula, solve this part outside only, b square minus 4ac. Okay, or you can solve within the formula also. Okay, no problem. This is your choice कि b square minus 4ac you want to solve separately or with the formula. I will do it directly. So x will be equals to minus b plus, minus b means value of b, it is minus 7. अब देखो यहाँ क्या हुआ? दिस माइनस साइन इज ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. ये माइनस साइन फॉर्मूले का है, b की वैल्यू से इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. अगर b की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव पुट करो, एंड इफ b वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव देन सब्स्टिट्यूट इट एज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. ओके, प्लस माइनस रूट b स्क्वायर मीन्स minus 7 square minus 4ac. Value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. Okay, and divide the whole thing by 2 into a. A means 2. X equals to minus plus 7 plus minus. Solve this thing. When the bracket will open, minus square plus 7 square 49 minus 3 2 is 6 or 6 4 is 24 divided by 2 into 2 4. Okay, again x equals to 7 plus minus 49 minus 24, what will left? 25 divided by 4. Okay, x will be equals to 7 plus minus, what is the value of root 25? The value of root 25 is 5. This we all know. Okay, upon 4. And now we have to find out the value of x. So how to do it? एक बार लेंगे प्लस साइन और दूसरी बार लेंगे माइनस साइन. ओके, मीन्स लाइक दिस, x इक्वल्स टू 7 प्लस 5 अपॉन 4 और x इक्वल्स टू 7 माइनस 5 अपॉन 4. Is it clear? इनके बीच में साइन प्लस माइनस दोनों है, एक बार लेंगे पॉजिटिव साइन लेके पूरी बात लिखेंगे, ओके, एंड सेकेंड टाइम वी विल टेक ओनली नेगेटिव साइन एंड राइट द होल थिंग. 7 + 5 12 upon 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, here 7 - 5 2 upon 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 1 upon 2. Is it clear? Good. And if you will see now part second is also same like part first. So do the part second by yourself. Part third I will do. Okay, note it. Okay students, now see question number 2, part third. We have to also do the same thing. We have to find out its roots. So first of all write the equation, after that write the formula, and then here. So value of A is coefficient of x square. I am saying again and again, A means coefficient of x square, B means coefficient of x for √3, and C means this constant value. Okay, now substitute the values in place of A, B and C in our formula. X will be equals to minus value of B is 4√3 plus minus B square. B square means 4√3 whole square minus 4AC. 4 into A means 4 and C is 3. Okay, divided by 2 into A, 2 into 4. So x will be equals to minus 4√3 plus minus, okay, solve it. 4 square 16, √3 square 3, 16 3s are 48, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, upon 4 2s are 8, plus minus cancel. Okay, so x will be equals to minus 4√3 plus minus, so what is left here? 0 upon 8, or we can say x will be equals to minus 4√3 upon 8. 4 2s are 8. X equals to minus √3 upon 2. This thing I had already told you in question number 1, that if on solving we are getting only one value, it means the next another root is same. So the roots are minus √3 upon 2 and minus √3 upon 2. Okay, and one more hint I will give you. ये जो ब्रैकेट का ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है, इसके अंदर का अगर आंसर सॉल्व हो गया क्या मिलता है हमको? 0. अगर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac जो मैंने सॉल्व किया था अंदर, उसका आंसर कितना आया था? 0. इसका मीन्स होता है कि जो भी हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है उसके दोनों रूट्स आपस में क्या है? सेम है. अगर एक रूट -3 अपॉन -√3 अपॉन 2 है, इट मीन्स दैट अनदर रूट विल ऑल्सो भी -√3 अपॉन 2. ओके, सो होपफुली ओके, आई विल डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन, नोट इट. Okay students, now see part 4th on the board. Okay, so just do it as we get done part first and third. Value of A is 2, value of B is 1. If nothing is written here, it means the coefficient of x is 1 and the value of C is 4. Okay, just substitute the value now. X equals to minus B means minus 1 plus minus root B square 1 square minus 4, A means 2, C means 4, upon 2A. 2A means 2 into 2. X will be equals to minus 1 plus minus, okay, 1 square is 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 1 minus 32 upon 2 2s are 4. Now see here, X will be equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 32 means minus 31 upon 4. Now ये बात मैंने पहले भी बताई थी that if within the square root any negative value comes, it means we are not going to have the real roots. और यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट में नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ गई है, इट मीन्स हमारे पास यहाँ पे कोई भी रियल रूट्स नहीं है. ओके, so answer will be no real roots exist. Is it clear now? So कि complete question number 2 in a proper way in your fair copies and also do the examples which are related with question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, this is my homework to all of you. Thank you very much.